Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and my registration number is CR153031. I got an experiment in web development. It's my number 4th experiment, which I have to design a page using an advanced CSS. For that I have to create a web page using a proper HTML and advanced CSS. So for that I have to set a fixed background image for the whole web page. Then my second part is a navigation bar. I have to fix a rollover FM over a horizontal navigation bar using a list of links. I have to remove the bullets of the links and remove the default text declaration from the links. Then display the link as a block element and specify its width and background color. The navigation bar should stretch the full width of the screen. The navigation elements themselves should be centered over the content area. These are the following text which I have to apply over that. Then a banner image will be there, which should be placed over it. I have to display the division over the image and the position, them using position and offset properties. Then I have to design the banner as per the mockup and use suitable colors. My first section is my family member. I have to divide into 3 columns. Each column should take up an equal amount of space on the screen. Then rounded corner images with hover effects, box shadow and box border radius will be there. My second section will be my favorites, food and all, and it will include my page must include a CSS file, no inline styles allowed, and my CSS file should be placed into a CSS folder. Then I have to use a mockup illustration page, which is given here. This is my mockup page. This the section and the another section. This background will be fixed, and using hover I have to show. So for that I have written a code in here. It's the HTML starting and heading. Then title will be my experiment number 4. I have to add the CSS link. Externally I have added here home style 4.css. Then in division part, class name will be banner. After that a navigation bar with UL unordered list. Inside that li is there with link a space href. These are the link personal academic activity and other. Then I have to close the UL and the navigation. Then another division, class image 1, 2, 3 with the image src file will be attached. 1, 2 and 3 images are attached. After that a title is given. My name is Thomas with class. Then again a division part will be there with a heading, then with F1 text, F2 text and the heading 2. These are the divisions of the class. Name is my car, heading, then text is Mercedes, and I have written some points about Mercedes. Here I have used mark to highlight the text. Then for same as for Lamborghini, same mark I have given to highlight the text. Then in my second, my favorites headings are there. Then division table I have given. Table will be centered. Then I have opened a table. A column span of 2. It is written like my favorite bikes will be shown, and here class item name and item image, it will be same for all the classes, Ducati, Kawasaki, BMW, and the images I have given with it, img src 6.jpg. After that I have to close the table, center, division and the body and the HTML part. Now I have written a CSS code for that also. Here is the star for whole the page. It will take whole of the page with margin 0, padding 0, and the box size will be a border box. Then after that body, class body. In body, background image will be URL c1.jpg. This will be fixed. Here it's written cover. It will cover whole the page and it is fixed. Then here class banner I have given that. Here I have used class. I'll show you. Yeah, here you can see class banner is there. That's why here in style I have given dot banner for that. Dot banner. Then background image is there. It will cover with height and width of 40 pixel and 100%. Then in navigation, background color is there, width is there, and the position will be fixed. Then and navigation of UL li of A. It will go to the unordered list of A. So yeah, text decoration will be none. Font family will be Helvetica, and the width will be bold. Color will be red. Then navigation of UL, text center will be at the center. UL of li, display will be an inline block with height, width, and padding of 10 pixel. Cursor will be in the pointer. Then again here I have used navigation of UL of hover. Hover is, I'll show when it will come. Background color is there, and the opacity is 0.3. Then again over is I've used color. Color of aquamarine, text align center, height, padding and border, everything I have given in the title part. Then in image I have given the position as absolute, and top will be from 75 pixel, and from left it will take 200 pixel, from left to 100 pixel. For image 2 same, for image 3 also same, only the height and the width part will be changed, and the background color. Then for f1 I have given the URL of image, and same the height, width, and the box shadow position. For f1 hover, opacity will be 0. Opacity will be like at the beginning you can't see the photo image, but when you put your cursor in that image it will show. That is opacity. For f1 text, width will be 300 pixel, position will be absolute. From top it will take 800 pixel, from left it will take 90 pixel, and the color will be black. And the border will be 5 pixel dashed green. It will be in green color. For file 2, same thing I have given for f2 hover. And for text and heading 2, height will be 50 pixel, font size will be 32 pixel, the color and all everything I have written. For each and everything, position, color, top, everything will be same. Then TD of TH, border I have given 1 pixel of solid. This thing comes under the table part. Then it's the n child is like pseudo code. It's the another name of n child of odd. Whole odd number will be taken like 1, 3, 5, 7, and it will be color will be in sky blue. For even number, for even child like 2, 4, 6, the background color will be pink. Then TR of over, opacity will be 1, background color will be light green, and the image width, height, and it will be float. So for that I have written a. Now I'll run this. Here you can see my name is there, Justin Jose Thomas, with a photo. This like my destination where I have to go. Here personal, academic, activity, and other. Here you can see when I click, when I move my cursor in this thing, it moves. This is the part of opacity, or you can call hover. Then here you can see my background is fixed. This is fixed when I move up and down. Then here my section part of cars, when I move my cursor it moves. Then for Mercedes and Lamborghini I have highlighted the text. Then my favorites bikes are shown: Ducati, Kawasaki, BMW. When I place my cursor here it will show. If I remove, it will not show. This is the part of opacity. So Up to this, my experiment is done. Thank you for watching.